Will be a senior high school student. Have you decided what strata you're going to take?
Not yet. I'm still undecided. How about you?
Me too. What strand will fit me?
STEM? ICT?
You're saprical and I don't have any talents in information technology.
You?
All public speaker are all there. Are you still undecided? Come on, over here.
Let us show you the future of business leaders. Close your eyes and trust us, and let us show you something cool.
I'm Sofia Marshall Imenor, and my experience in ABM Strand during my senior high school was a great and memorable experience. Especially yung mga activities and events na kung saan madami ka talaga matututunan and madideepen pa yung skills mo. Katulad nung grade 12 kung saan we have to sell our products, and that time hindi siya naging madali, especially na ang daming trial and errors and naging magastos din siya para sa amin. Pero syempre after nung event na yun or nung mismong activity na yun, naging fulfilling siya sa pakiramdam kasi naging successful yung product namin. Also malaki yung profit na naibalik sa amin, so talagang sulit naman yung pagod. Also, hindi naging madali and hindi naman palaging masaya yung journey ko noon. Syempre, nandiyan yung mga hard times and yung mga pagdadoubt sa sarili, especially nung time ng FABEM kasi sobrang nahirapan ako sa math and hindi ko nababalance yung worksheet ko. Pero ayun, hindi rin nababalance yung ibang kaklase, so medyo nakakagaan ng pakiramdam. At ayun, nagtutulungan kami in ways na paano maintindihan ng isa't isa. And syempre, yung pag-lift up sa isa't isa, importante yan. Imbes na i-down, diba? Syempre, nili-lift up na lang. And ayun, tulungan lang kami palagi nun. Kaya, ayun, naging masaya yung grade 12 ko nun, especially with the help of my teachers and of course, my classmates.
Are you passionate about making things happen? Do you dream of owning a business, being a financial whiz, or understanding the ins and outs of management? Then ABM, Accountancy Business and Management, is calling your name.
The Accountancy Business and Management strand is a specialized curriculum in the Philippine education system that equips students with the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in various careers. Accountancy, which involves recording, analyzing, and reporting on financial activities. Students get to know topics about bookkeeping, financial statements, and taxation. Business, which discusses the concepts and application of managing a business, including marketing, operations, and human resources. And management, which considers the planning, organization, leading, and controlling resources, which help achieve organizational goals. As you go through, leadership styles, decision-making, and strategic management are considered too.
One of the primary advantages of the ABM strand is its focus on developing strong analytical and problem-solving skills. Students learn to analyze complex business scenarios, identify potential challenges, and devise effective solutions. These skills are highly valuable in the dynamic and ever-evolving business landscape, where the ability to think critically and make informed decisions are crucial.
In ABM, you learn all about finance, marketing, entrepreneurship, and leadership. It's a blend of practical skills and real-world challenges that prepare you for the fast-paced business world. From managing budgets to pitching ideas, ABM is about shaping you into someone who can make a difference in any field. Think you up for it?
ABM is for the visionaries, the risk-takers, the future CEOs, and financial gurus.
With ABM, you're not just choosing a strand. You're choosing a future filled with endless opportunities and success.
Tara na! Mag-ABM ka na!